These are
It
big
comes
old.
from all sides.
These are really big.
Go this way. Nobody lives in there. Why don't you stack up and let all the bullheads sit in there?
It's getting sandy.
Oh, I keep sinking.
These are like getting tighter around my ankles.
Kevin! Kaylin says she'll take me fishing if I do this. And we're going to use the bucket, and if we catch one, we're going to kind of lean it in there and come in fast. And then,
See, you can get a lot, don't.
and then you can help us get the fish out of the
Stuck.
hook. Or out of the mouth, or the hook out of the mouth. Kaylin! There! Get it out of here. Quickly. Good. Ah! Is this fun with company here, Kaylin?
A lot more. Let's suck them in and see what we got.
You just clean that area.
Let's get in this area.
Sorry. Black.
But you'll see like lots of tadpoles swimming through here.
That's fun. Do you think we can get this done today?
Today?
No.
Yeah, I think we could. Eventually. I'm just getting
You
sucked
said
in.
it might take 2 years, but we could go really far. So next time we can walk through here. No, we would hate walking right here. God dang it!